It all starts off with segmentation. Now, I can do a whole webinar series on segmentation in of itself and how important segmentation truly is. And we're going to bring some of this into the conversation today and into the demo today and into this as a thought process. So segmentation, I mean, with Facebook and Google and Twitter, as we know, segmentation has been at the forefront of a lot of things, and this has to do with data. So user data, self-given data, data from other platforms, and we're going to talk about this and using all of this information to really set those levels of segmentation, and then how can we then address those in those segmented fields. So again, you can see some here, whatever those segmentations may be for your organization, you can, of course, add those to this list.